welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing and delicious agua fresca. Passion fruit, pineapple, agua fresca that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Refreshing and delicious agua fresca of passion fruit and pineapple. These are the ingredients. Of course, the extract, color, flavor of passion fruit, pineapple, organic passion fruit from my garden, from my vine, granulated sugar, and 1 liter of water. This is everything we need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria, with this amazing and refreshing passion fruit pineapple lemonade. So let's get started. Here, I want to start by first making my simple syrup. Yes, when you make a simple syrup, you use less sugar than if you just add regular granulated sugar to your agua frescas or your lemonades. After a couple minutes, the water is going to turn a slightly yellow. Just put it aside and let it come to room temperature before you use it in your lemonades or your agua frescas. And here, let me show you. I have my organic passion fruit from my vine, from my garden. They come out always so juicy, so delicious, that once you make this amazing agua fresca, this combination of passion fruit and pineapple, you are going to love it. Let me tell you, when you make it at home, you really enjoy it with your beautiful family. Every single one is so different. Some has a lot of seeds, a lot of juice, and some are a little bit dry. But of course, the aroma and the flavor is always there. And here, let me show you how this looks from the inside, how you remove all the juice and all the seeds. In this agua fresca, I'm going to leave the seeds. I really love how it looks inside the agua fresca. But of course, if you don't want to add the seeds, you could just put it in the blender, blend it for a little bit, and then put it through a sifter. And here I'm adding the concentrate of the passion fruit, color, and flavor. Of course, this really makes a difference in this amazing agua fresca. The color really changes, and I'm adding 1 cup of the simple syrup we made at the beginning of the video. Let me show you how easy it is. Well, I have ready this passion fruit with the extract of the passion fruit and of course with the simple syrup. Look at this. Look how juicy it is. Oh my gosh, the aroma that is releasing, just amazing. This water is really so refreshing with so many benefits, antioxidant, vitamin C, you name it. And here I have half of a pineapple. I am going to remove all the skin, being very careful. I'm going to remove all the skin, and then I'm going to cube it. I want to blend this pineapple so that I really obtain all the amazing flavor of the pineapple in this amazing agua fresca. Well, once you take all the skin off and you get all those little black spots, you are ready to start cubing. I'm going to reserve a little piece for the presentation. And here I'm just going to cut in the half. I'm going to take the core off without taking the pulp out. Taking everything. Of course, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to add it to my pitcher. And now I'm ready to just cube the pineapple. And once this is done, I am ready to add it into the blender. I am using 1 liter of water. I am going to add some water until I cover it completely. And then I am ready to blend away. Of course, after I blend it, I'm going to put it through a sifter
to get all those fibers out. I don't want the fiber or even all the fiber out of my agua fresca. I have my sifter here. I'm going to put it through the sifter. I'm going to help myself with the spoon, getting all that amazing juice of the pineapple. And then let me show you what I'm going to do. When you really get all the juice, you're going to see a lot of foam on the bottom. You want to remove all the white foam from the bottom. You don't want to have that in your agua fresca. So take your time. This is the fiber. Take your time removing the top layer of foam. And of course, when this is done, you're going to see the water really nice and yellow. And then I'm ready to add the mixture of the passion fruit. Of course, I don't want to leave anything behind because this agua fresca comes out so refreshing, so delicious. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share, because only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I'll be able to share with you so many delicious recipes. Look at this. Look at this texture. Look at all those seeds all over the place. I really love leaving the seeds behind because you could really, when you're drinking it, you could really pop the little seed in your mouth. While my mouth is watering and I can't wait to enjoy, I am going to add just a little bit of ice in my pitcher. I don't want to dilute my agua fresca, so I'm just going to add the agua fresca into the pitcher. Of course, I added the core in the center. And on my glass, I am going to add lots and lots of ice. Look at this. I am so ready to have a glass full of this amazing agua fresca. Passion fruit, pineapple, agua fresca. I am ready to enjoy. I'll see you in just a little bit.
With this amazing and refreshing agua fresca of passion fruit and pineapple. This is the part I really love and enjoy, refreshing myself with my amazing agua frescas. I know you have a lot of lemonades and agua frescas on my channel. Make this one. You're going to love it. Excuse me. The combination of the passion fruit and pineapple, just perfection, made at home. And let me tell you, with this hot weather, you really want to refresh yourself with an amazing agua fresca. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing passion fruit pineapple agua fresca. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.